Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. So, a lot. I got some stuff, so I'm gonna do a mini haul or so. Got good, some things for decorating and stuff that I slowly need. Um, but I've been waiting for my Birchbox. So I think it was Monday the 16th. I decided to check. No, it was Thursday the 19th. So I decided I'm gonna check and see where's my Birchbox and see if I can see um, the tracking and stuff because I don't know, some reason Birchbox like updated or something and changed things to the point that my tracking thing wasn't there when my box decided they started shipping my box. But anyways, long story short, it went to the house and I'm like, oh, great. I don't know if the man realized it or anything, but otherwise that I got my box at the mailbox. It was at the mailbox place. So it was just I'm very confused on was it there or he changed his mind and took it and brought it to the mail place and they put a Ford sticker on it and never mailed it, or I don't know, or somebody said, hey, this person live here, so I don't know, but I'm happy I got my May box. I was very sad. Anyways, so yeah, my June box will come into our new address. So yeah. Anyways, so here we go. I had to fix it because it was little. I had the same box again, the magnet with the gold in it, and this was on top. So this is what I have. You want to stop and look at it. It's just that. So let's get started. All right, there is 7 products. Usually we get, I think, 5 or so. I can remember, but sometimes we do get 6, and sometimes we get 7 and as a bonus. So I'm gonna go in order. Usually I don't, but I want to. So yes. So let's get started. I'm very excited for this box. A few things I'm excited. Yeah. Anyways, this is a grapefruit face cleanser. Not very cute packaging. Anyways, this is full size. Is $38. Next is. Oh, sorry, just got home. Um, Another cleanser. This is a grapefruit watermelon. Same one I had in the lotion. Not flavor, the scent or anything, but the same brand. Anyways, this is full size is $9.99. So that's what that is. I like getting products that are the same company or brand or so because I know that they're really good and I really enjoy them. Next, see what we have here. Nope, we have this guy. All right, so this guy I'm shocked about, and I like. Ooh, this would be cool to try. So this is Wild Rose Sleeping Facial. Ooh, excuse me. Full size is $48. And OMG, does this not look like a full size package? I'm like, are you kidding me? So this is a night brightening sleep facial, vitamin C, brightens and plumps. I had to fix this to that because it came off. It's coming off. So that's what it looks like. Like, that is a full, that's like almost like a full size. This is going to last a while. But it's so pretty packaging. It has the English and then some language and then right there. But it's glass too, of course. So it's pretty. Alright, next. I don't know if I want to try this. I don't know. But I'll probably give it a go. I will let you guys know if this, let me know this is good. This is a healthy deodorant. Scent is pure vanilla. Full size is $10. Let me know if this is a good healthy deodorant and what you think about it, what your thoughts and all that stuff. So let me know. But that's not bad size though for a sample size. Alright. Where am I? Did I miss something? Oh, I did. I skipped that one. Okay. I skipped a product. I skipped this guy here. This is a cleaning gel. Excuse me. Never cleansing, whatever. It just cleans your face. This guy full size is $24. Forgot that guy. I'm like, why am I looking at that? I am excited. Excuse me. For this one product that I've been seeing on YouTube and everybody use it and stuff. It's this liquid IV. It's a sample. They have it at Birchbox. So this one is lemon lime. Full size for the on Birchbox is $24.47. I'm gonna see if it's cheaper at the store to get it, because this is a little bit pricey on here. So, but I always want to try one of these, so I'm very excited. And even if it's nice that it's a sample I could try, instead of getting a big thing and not liking it and wasting it. So that's nice. Alright, last thing, our last item and our bonus is this Flower Bomb Bloom, something French. Full size is $95. So this is the bonus. So pretty, smells really, really good. How to open the, how to open, oh. Okay, I'll just tear it. Oh, so it's that kind of perfume. Oh my god, it smells so cute. Good. I think I need a new one. No, it's not leaking. It's just very low. Very low. But that's okay. It smells good though. And then the full size is not bad, $95. That's not too bad. Plus I could probably get at a store for cheaper though. But anyways, that's what I have in my May box. I'm very excited that I have my May box. So yeah. Anyways, let me know what you think about this. Yeah, let me know. I'm not sure. I might just give it to my sister. I like to share some of these things that are not for me. Or try to share with my mom. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna upload this one, and then I'm gonna do my mini haul because I got some things today, and that's about it. I've just been waiting and seeing what was going on, and I'm very thankful I got my box because Birchbox told me that they sold out, and I'm like, no, because I was really want to try this, and I like the other stuff that I got too. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna go, and yeah, bye guys.